Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Zemanek. Our question this time comes from our Facebook group, Doc's Thoughts, and it's based off of a post that was there. The post said basically that a couple that worships and lives for God will grow together. And the individual wrote this question: do you really grow together? I always thought once I got married I would grow with my wife, but my relative thinks it's better to grow on your own, and the idea that you will grow together is naive, and it doesn't really work that way. What do you think? Fantastic question, and the truth is yes. A married couple who both are followers of Christ will either grow together or they'll just grow separately. And the choice is yours, and it's a choice that's made every day. If a couple will pray together, read the Bible together, attend church together, serve their community together, they will find as a byproduct their relationship grows together. You may have, several follower of Christ friends who are in their late 70s and 80s who have been married for 15 billion years and still look like two kids who are just fell in love. And that's the secret that every last one of them shares. They just love God with everything that they have together, and they love each other, and they love their community. They're always looking for ways to serve their community and to serve God together. And the result is that they have grown together. I also know several follower of Christ couples who have loved God, who love their community, but never found much time to do things together. They don't read the Bible together, they don't pray together, they don't worship in church together, they don't serve the community together. They both do that, but not together. And one of the major results is that while they have both grown in their relationship with God, they have not necessarily grown together. They love each other, but there's that sense of real unity that they thought they'd have when they got married. So the choice is really up to us. I'm Steve Zemanek. Those are my thoughts. And remember, because of Jesus, life is good today.